What's up, everybody? It's your boy Owen with Trinity Jumpers. Today I'm gonna take you on a little vlog day in the life trip. We're gonna go do a drop off down the street, but we're also gonna be doing an unboxing. It's a Jingle Jump Tropical 3-in-1. So let's go ahead and see how we prepare for the day, how we get ready, how we deliver our drop offs. We're gonna take you on a ride. All right, here we go. So here's that jumper. It's the Tropical 3-in-1. They call it something else, but that's it right there, made by Jingle Jump. I'm gonna bring that. You gotta make sure you got all your items. It uses one of those blowers, but today I'm gonna test out the blower that I got from Albert Chavarin, which is a hybrid 2 horsepower. It's really small. Check out, that's a 1.5, that's a 2. Then we're gonna go ahead and make sure we got I'm not bringing the trailer today, we just taking this one jumper. Make sure you got your sandbags to hold the jumper down. Bring some hoses just in case. Sometimes you get there and their hoses are messed up. I got the sprinkler system for the bounce house, the brand new. And then I got some tarps just in case they got like some dirt backyards or something like that, you know. So you got to make sure you have a checklist, get all your items. And once you got all that, you load it up. And then we're gonna head to the stop. All right, guys, so we're loaded. We got everything we need in there. We got the jumper, we got the blower. Never forget the dolly, these jumpers are way too heavy. We got the sledge, I got some stakes, we got sandbags. Got an extension cord in there somewhere, tarps, and some water hoses. All right, so now let's head out to the stop. All right, we have arrived to the location. So we got our whole little setup. And we are going to go to the backyard over here. All right, you guys, we made it to the drop-off spot. Now we're about to go ahead and unbox that Tropical 3-in-1 made by Jingle Jump. So let's go ahead and take a look how that turns out. All right, there it is, fully blown up, nice and firm. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the inside. Got the nice basketball hoop. Got the nice ladder, which goes down into the pool. And a nice jumping platform. All right, so we're inside the Tropical 3-in-1. And I'm gonna say this jumper is literally a 10 out of 10. Make sure you guys go check out Jingle Jump. Check out Trinity Jumpers if you need to rent one of these and you're in the Southern California area. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow our page. We're gonna be dropping videos daily. Peace. All right, you guys, so we're done with that setup. We did the setup. We also did an unboxing video at the same time. We're just gonna load up all this stuff, head back to the warehouse, go back and do some little odds and ends, clean a couple jumpers that needed to be cleaned that we weren't able to get to during the week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Trinity Jumpers.